everyone, this is Shmita Roy from Indian Folk, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the second wave of COVID-19 and public behavior. At the time when the threat of infamous coronavirus is considered infeasible among Indian public, the upsurge in the corona cases in India have slowly been reinstating the fear of virus taking over the country again. The second wave, which is considered to have taken momentum since the late February this year, has compelled us to acknowledge the presence of virus again. Majority of the South Indian states and few North Indian states have been contributing to most of the active cases in India every day. Unsurprisingly, owing to its rapid pace, the virus is spreading among the major states in India, moving the number of affected people from hundreds to thousands easily within few weeks. The highest spike in the cases since 23rd October 2020 was registered to be around 59,000, while the cumulative cases stand at 1,20,000. With only 4% of the population getting vaccinated, the surge in the cases should be the last thing that we need today. The government is imposing restrictions and have been taking stringent measures to ensure that people are not loitering outdoors during this festive season. In Delhi, metro stations have been working to contain the virus cases. In Maharashtra, restrictions have been imposed by government in Nagpur. Even in Punjab, government has imposed curfews and curbs to tackle the situation. Down to south, the situation a little bit worsened because of the burden of the Legislative Assembly election of the state in Tamil Nadu, which was scheduled for April. While the center and the state are working to allay the rising threat of the coronavirus, the participation of public has been abysmal. A study suggests that over 99% of the people understands the reason or importance of wearing mask, but only 40% of them follows the practice of wearing the mask. Even few days ago, Holi was inevitably celebrated by some people in large gatherings, putting thousands of lives at risk. Even after receiving suggestions and restrictions from government to avoid public gatherings this Holi, the contribution of youth towards control and prevention of spread of the virus is found to be meager in such festivals. Although youth are among the last few groups of the country people who will be receiving the jabs of vaccines, and this stresses the need for youths to be more responsible. Traversing through the vaccination process, India has been moving steadily towards vaccinating its citizens, starting with the health or frontline workers. Then steadily the process is being moving towards the elderly persons and senior citizens, and then moving towards the adults with health complications. With CoWIN upgraded, the registration for vaccination has been extended to the adults over 45 years age, starting from April 1, and with the aim to not to denigrate the efforts of the government, one must keep in mind the facts and figures which truly determines the position or situation of India today. And it is evident from the economic implication that India is not ready to handle yet another series of lockdown. So it is the duty of the citizens to understand that they cannot ignore the presence of the pandemic to loiter outside with minimal safety measures. It is our duty to follow the protocols. It is our duty to wear the mask and follow proper sanitizing and cleanliness. So get yourself vaccinated. This brings me to the end of this video. Thanks for watching it.